So good morning student. Welcome all of you in ninth lecture of this chapter number 3rd. So yesterday we revised about unique solution, infinite many solution and no solution. And cross multiplication method also we studied yesterday. And we came to know that we can apply any of the algebraic method only when solution is unique. Now this second question, in this second question these two equations are given and it is also given that equation has infinite many solution and we want to find out the value of a and b. So equation has infinite many solution, then a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. Yesterday we checked what type of solution equation are having, but here it is already given that solution is infinite. So a1 is 2, a2 a minus b, let this is number 1, b1 is 3, b2 a plus b, let this is number second, then c1 is 7, c2 3a plus b minus 2, let this is number third. Now we'll draw here line. We have to take two pairs. Let us first take pair of first and second, these two. So cross multiply 3a minus 3b, then 2a plus 2b. We will shift all the values on left hand side. Then let this is equation number first. So here we will take pair of second and third values. So 3 upon a plus b, then 7 upon 3a plus b minus 2. Now we cross multiply. 3 into 3, 9a, 3 into b, 3b, 3 into minus 2, minus 6 equal to 7a plus 7b. We will shift only a and b values to left hand side, and on right hand side we will have the only constant value. So here we are having 6. So by solving this we are having second equation 2a minus 4b equal to 6. So this is first equation, this is second equation. Now we will solve these two equations by using the elimination method. So here coefficient of a is 2. We will multiply this equation by 2. So this will 2a then minus 10b equal to 0. This equation as it is. We will subtract equation second from first. So 2a will cancel. By solving this we get value of b 1. Now we will put this value of b1 here in this first equation and we get value of a equal to 5. So very important question. Whenever solution is given, either infinite many or any other solution, then we have to solve the question by this method. Now we will solve the second part of this question also. Now in second part, for what value of k we want to find out the value of k, will the following pair of linear equation have no solution? These two equations are given, and we are having no solution and we want to find out the value of k. So if equation has no solution, condition is a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 not equal to c1 upon c2. So a1 is 3, a2 2k minus 1, then b1 is 1, b2 k minus 1 not equal to c1 is 1, c2 2k plus 1. So let this is number 1, this is number 2, this is number 3. In first part we want to find out two values a and b, so we take two pair and by solving those two pair we get the two equation and we solve the equation by elimination method. But here we want to find out only one value, so we will take only one pair. So we will take pair of first and second values. So then we cross multiply 3 into k, 3k, 3 into minus 1, minus 3. Then 1 into 2k, 2k, 1 into minus 1, minus 1. 3k as it is, this 2k will shift on left hand side, it will become minus, minus 1 as it is, this 3 shift to right hand side, it will become plus 3. So answer is k equal to 2. So whenever we want to find out one value, generally we take the one pair. Now after second question, let us read the third question. So in third question, solve the following pair of linear equation by substitution and cross multiplication. These two equations are given and we have to solve the question by either substitution or cross multiplication. So up to now we solve only one part by cross multiplication method. So now we will solve this part also by cross multiplication. No need to revise substitution method here. You can revise again cross multiplication method. So first step of cross multiplication method is generally we take all values to left hand side and on right hand side we left with only 0. So this you have to shift here. You will get 8x plus 5y minus 9 equal to 0. Again you shift 4 here, you will get 3x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Then yesterday I told you formula of 2312. So x, y, 1 we have to write. First we write second value. So 5 and 2 we will write here. Then third value minus 9 and minus 4 we will write here. Then first value 8 and 3 we will write here. then second value 5 and 2 we will write here, and then we apply this sign of cross multiply. Then x upon equal to y upon equal to 1 upon. So we will multiply 5 to -4, this is -20. Then 2 into -9, -18, but we will change the sign of second value. Equal to, in the same way, -9 into 3, -27, -4 into 8, -32, but we will change the sign. Then 8 into 2, 16, 3 into 5, 15, again we will change the sign, it will become minus. So x upon, this will become -2, y upon, this will become +5, and 1 upon 1. Now we will take first and third value, we will cross multiply, then first answer x equal to -2, then we will take second pair, that is y upon 5 and 1 upon 1, again we will cross multiply, value of y is 5. So we revise one more question by using the cross multiplication method. Now we revise all the three methods. First we study substitution, second we study elimination, then third we study the cross multiplication method. But again I am revising, out of these three the most important method is elimination. So tomorrow we will start exercise 3.6, but before that one question of word problem is left in this exercise. First we will solve that word problem, then we will start 3.6.